The fourth mode, the Lydian. Let's imagine that this is the first time you've heard the Lydian mode. What are your first impressions? So what were your first impressions? Let me guide you. This is essentially the Ionian mode, the major scale, but critically with the fourth raised. Dynamically, this removes the tension between the fourth and the third, creating a more open sounding mode, similar to the whole tone scale in mood, but more melodic. So where would you use this mode? If you want to create a sense of awe or mystery, it is perfect, because there is no standard resolution because of the sharpened fourth. For example, in the key of F, moving to the dominant seventh, a C7 in this case, is impossible because it's made of C, E, G and B flat. Similarly, moving to a fourth, the B flat, is also impossible. So the two standard progressions in popular music have just gone out the window. A jazz secret is when you see the major seventh symbol, for example F major seventh, instead of playing F Ionian, play F Lydian. One note changes everything. A bit of terminology here, that's called a substitution. To summarise, I suggested mysterious or inspiring a real build-up mode, which is often found in key scenes of John Williams scores and hidden in jazz solos.